Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my favorite SQL commands which I use every time in my primary work and in my project. Join. It's basic which you need to understand in SQL. Hopefully it's very easy. Concat, string concatenation, it's very handy command. Next, every SQL query can be a source for another query. Group by to aggregate data. Every field can be another related SQL query. Pivot. In my case, I want to rotate my data by periods and compare them. And the last very important command which I use very often is null. For example, we can compare our data by inventory items as well. Please let me know in the comment down below what do you like or dislike in SQL. Thank you. Bye.